paano yan? Kailangan ba ng, sino-sino ang kwalipikado? Sino ang maaring lumapit sa DTI at ano yung loans that are being offered?
Yes, that's a good question. No? Actually, kasi sometimes, every time there's a calamity, we also must remember that the businesses are affected. So in the same way the people need to bounce back, the businesses also needs to bounce back. So how do we do this now? The DTI, there's an SB Corporation which is which is an attached agency of DTI.
Small Business
Yes,
diba?
Small Business Corporation. And we came out with this, we call it the Enterprise Rehabilitation Fund, which is worth 2 billion pesos. So meron kaming 2 billion pesos na ibibigay sa mga MSMEs or sa mga negosyante na nasalanta ng bagyo. So yun ang ano natin, no? This loan can be we can get this loan or we can avail this loan by going through the website of SB Corp, which is sbcorp.gov.ph, and there's a 7 days processing ng loans na ito.
How much?
Now, these loans, di ba, we have an amount that we're setting aside for yung mga nasalanta, which is 2 billion pesos. Zero interest po ito for 1 whole year, and then the next year is 1% per month. Ngayon, just like all other banks or all other institution, we actually are very flexible on this. Kung interest lang kaya nilang bayaran, then we will pay. This is, I'm talking about the second year, ha?
Yeah.
So we will just negotiate with them na interest lang ang babayaran hanggang makaahon sila. So this ones is for all the MSMEs that are affected, are part of the affected provinces or areas. And of course, the loans start from as small as 10,000 all the way to 300,000. And ang processing time is 7 days. Yes, wala na tong collateral. We just have to have the business name registration or the SEC. We must also have the permits that that are really needed to secure na talagang legit tayo na negosyante. And after that, there's already no need for collateral ito. So after that, mapoprocess na nila yung loans para makabalik na tayo sa normal na pagdenegosyo.
So online lang talaga, mag-a-apply ka
yes,
online?
Yes, apply tayo online dun sa sbcorp.gov.ph. Just in case may problema kayo, no? You can also go to report to SEC at dti.gov.ph. So yes, we can report that to me because that goes straight to my office para at least ma-address namin itong because actually we really want to get the MSMEs going because hindi makaunlad ang isang town or province or let's say city hanggang hindi makausad ang mga negosyo.
So speaking of yung mga nasalanta, Sec Chris, no, yung price freeze rin po dito sa mga lugar na nasalanta, that's effective already. Bawal po talaga magtaas ng mga...
Yes, bawal talaga magtaas ng presyo, and this is a 60 days,
60 days.
Mandate and that we really need to follow. And we were really told by the President that we must stick to this strictly and we must adhere to the law.
Kung hindi, kulong.
Yes, kulong. Merong 5
Kasi maraming
yes.
they take advantage.
Yes, they take advantage. Yung mga nagpo-profiteer dito sa we are closely monitoring this. In fact, every day umiikot talaga. Because in the DTI, meron tayo yung Consumer Protection Department, no? And we call it now the Fair Trade Group, which they really monitor first the prices. They also monitor all the people that to make sure that there are people that are not profiteering from this situation.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.